hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 20 of class 1, and the name of the chapter is Hurrah, it's a festival time. So as we all can see with the name, हमें पता चल रहा है कि हम लोग इस chapter में festivals के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, right? So we all know कि India is a cultural country, right? And it follows various kinds of religions, traditions and cultures, right? So हमें पता है कि हर रिलीजन का, हर ट्रेडिशन का एक अपना फेस्टिवल होता है, राइट? सो वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट अबाउट दोज festivals in this chapter. So let's begin with this. The following pictures are associated with famous festivals. कि इन चैप्टर्स में इस चैप्टर में जो भी पिक्चर्स हैं वो किसी ना किसी फेस्टिवल से एसोसिएटेड है, राइट? So choose the name from the help box and write in the given space. So जैसे कि ये लोग हमें बता रहे हैं कि हमें यहाँ पर एक हेल्प बॉक्स भी दिया हुआ है and we can choose the names of the festivals from this help box and we can write them in the space provided, right? So let's begin with the first one. तो जैसे कि हम लोग फर्स्ट इमेज में देख सकते हैं, दिस इमेज इज ऑफ द दिवाली, राइट? कि इस फेस्टिवल को हम दिवाली के नाम से जानते हैं, जिस पर हम बहुत सारे दिए अपने घरों में जलाते हैं और रंगोली भी मनाई जाती है, राइट? So this is the festival of lights and which is named as Diwali. After that we have the festival of colors. इस festival पे we use a lot of colors, water and we used to play it with our friends, right? So this festival is named as the festival of colors. So this festival is named as the festival of colors, named as Holi, right? After that we have this festival is basically of 6, right? So this festival is known as Guru Parv. After that, in the next image, as we can see, we have the festival which is named as Pongal, right? And Pongal is the very famous festival of Tamil Nadu, which is basically performed by Tamils, right? So the name of this festival is Pongal. After that, the next image given is of a Christmas, right? So Christmas is basically the festival of Christians, which they celebrate as the Jesus Christ birthday, right? So this festival is known as Christmas. After that, next image जो हमें दी हुई है, this is of रक्षा बंधन, right? So रक्षा बंधन जो है वो एक भाई बहन के प्यार का प्रतीक होता है, right? So this festival is named as रक्षा बंधन, right? And it is also known as Rakhi, right? After that, the next image given is of the festival which is named as Eid, right? और Eid जो है वो Muslims का festival होता है, right? So we write Eid over here. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned about the various festivals that are performed by various traditions and followed by different cultures. So thank you so much and have a good day ahead.